Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Dost. In this video I am going to explain about control circuit of a dual starter. Let us start. 110 volts from transformer directly to the dipole, a miniature circuit breaker, and phase should go like this to the overload relay. Neutral should be common to all the contactors. Okay, common to all contactors. Neutral is ready for all contactors C1, C2, K1, K2. Phase should go directly to the this overload relay. Every overload relay we have one NC and one NO. 95 and 96 will be the NC, and 97 98 will be normally open. If overload relay act, this 97 98 became NC and it directly indicates OL. HC means OL, which means overload relay. Okay, K5 means overload relay. It has 97 and 98 open contacts. These open contacts pick only when the motor takes over current. Then this 97 and 98 will become NC, which indicates overload indication. After that 95 96 NC, this 110 volt AC, this 110 volts AC directly to the local push button. Before local push button we have two terminology here. The symbol this indicates XD, which means sliding contacts. Okay, this symbol in diagram, and another one is like this, which means this indicates dual starter side terminal. Dual starter side terminal. And another one like this. This was local panel. Remember this. This should be XD, which means sliding contact. Dual starter to local panel, there was a sliding contacts which indicates like this, and this should be dual starter terminal. This was local panel. Okay. After overall relay, it will directly goes to the LCS. LCS means local push button, which is operated directly from local. After local push button, it will directly go to the DDC MIS, which means DC system stop. Okay. After that, it will go to the selection switch. It was S5 local and remote. And before going to this, we will know about this. After this local push button and this DC push button should be NC, always NC. If anybody put a local push button in local, it should be NO, which means the voltage will not occur here, which means these two contactors will not pick up. These two C1 and C2 will not pick up. Then here we have 5888C, which means electrical disturbance indication occur, switching available, not available here. Okay, C1 C2 will pick up. Then the condition to start the motor from DCS satisfies. Okay, after that local selector switch we will get, if you put the selector switch to local, means we have to start the motor from local. If you put switch in remote selection, we have to start from DCS start. Okay, if you put local, the path should be like this. Okay, the main K1 power contactor K1 will pick up. Okay, if you push push button, the power contactor will pick up. At this time, the K1X will pick up automatically. Why? Because the neutral is common to everyone. The 110 volts will came directly here. At the same time, K1X will pick up. K1 will pick up and K1X will pick up automatically. Both are pick up simultaneously. At very fast they will pick up K1 and K1X will pick up very fastly and they pick at the same time. Okay. For holding they are using K1X contactor here. Before going selector switch we have 110 volts ready to this 13. Okay, this 13 terminal, the 110 volts will available readily here. After pickupping K1X, these 13 14 NO will become NC and the 110 volt supply goes through like this. The holding for this circuit will go like this and the power contactor will pick up. When this K1X will pick up, which means when K1 pick up, this K1X will pick up. This K1X will pick up its auxiliary contact K1X here which is used for holding the K1 power contactor. Okay. After that, this on indication, off indication, we have discussed it in earlier videos. This addressing, please go through this video. And these are the TBs. I already told you about this XD X1 terminals. No, we have to satisfy this condition in junction and TBs. Suppose the TB number 1, TB number 2. If you put some volt 24 volts, and it will go to the control circuit, satisfy the condition, return to 2. Suppose on indication means if you give 24 volts to the control circuit, if the motor is on, control circuit on indication contactor, respective contactor will pick up NC and return to the 24 volts. Then on indication displays to the DCS system in DCS system. In DCS system on indication will shows. Okay. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click bell button in all options. Thank you everyone.